The butterfly's life cycle happens in 4 stages: the butterfly egg, larva or caterpillar, pupa, and the adult stage. The butterfly egg. Female butterflies lay eggs on the leaf or stems of plants. They lay these eggs in spring, summer, or fall. The butterfly caterpillar next. These eggs turn into caterpillars. The host plants become food for the emerging caterpillars. The caterpillar continues to eat and eat until it grows and sheds its skin up to 4 or 5 times. Most caterpillars feed on plants, while some may eat other insects. Caterpillars may even become destructive to your garden, as they need to eat to grow into the next stage of their life cycle. Caterpillars can increase their size many times during this stage. Depending on the surrounding conditions and species, they can stay in this stage for about 2 to 5 weeks. The female butterfly lays many eggs. However, only a few make it out of the caterpillar stage. The butterfly pupa or chrysalis. When the caterpillar grows fully, it stops eating and moves to the next stage, called the pupa stage. We refer to a butterfly's pupa as a chrysalis. The pupa or chrysalis remains suspended under branches or leaves of plants or underground. The developing butterfly remains in this stage for a few weeks and eventually evolves into an adult butterfly. The adult butterfly. The next stage is what we all know as the butterfly. At this stage, the butterfly develops fully with long legs and antennae, compound eyes, and wings. It sits for a few hours until its wings dry off before taking its first flight. The females seek different plants looking for the correct host plant for their eggs, while caterpillars primarily eat. The adult lays eggs. Butterflies only have a liquid diet. Adult butterflies feed mainly on liquid, typically nectar. The butterfly has mouth parts called the proboscis, which functions like a straw. One of the first things adult butterflies do is to assemble their mouth parts. When a new adult emerges from the chrysalis, its mouth has 2 pieces. However, the butterfly then begins to curl and uncurl the proboscis to form one single proboscis. With the proboscis, butterflies drink nectar from plants. The proboscis stays curled up until it finds nectar or any other liquid. Apart from nectar, butterflies drink from mud puddles which contain minerals and salts. Monarch butterflies can migrate as far as 3,000 miles. Butterflies require a certain body temperature to fly. These cold-blooded animals cannot regulate their body temperature, so cooler weather can make butterflies immobile. This makes them unable to feed or flee from predators, which can quickly end their already short lifespan. Some butterflies, like the monarch butterfly, migrate away from the cold. Monarch butterflies can migrate as far as 3,000 miles in search of warmer weather. When the days are shorter and the weather is cooler, monarch butterflies leave their breeding grounds in North America and Canada and set out to the south, all the way to central Mexico. These butterflies use the sun to travel on course. They also have a magnetic compass to help them move on cloudy days for. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies typically eat nectar, but how do these creatures taste their food? Well, One of the fun facts about butterflies is that they use their feet as taste receptors. When a butterfly lands on a plant, it uses its feet to check if its food is edible, thanks to the chemoreceptors on its feet. Butterflies can see colors invisible to the human eye. One of the most fascinating facts about butterflies is that they can perceive more colors than humans. Butterflies may not have eyes as sharp as the human eye. Still, these creatures have larger visual fields and can also distinguish ultraviolet colors that are invisible to the human eye. Butterflies also have some ultraviolet markings on their wings to help them locate a potential mate. Some butterflies may be poisonous. Most adult butterflies are not poisonous. One way a butterfly defends itself from predators is to make itself unpalatable. Butterflies don't have any stingers or fangs to inject toxins into predators. Many butterfly species will store toxins in their bodies at the caterpillar stage. The monarchs lay their eggs on the poisonous milkweed plant and feed on it, collecting toxins from it. Other species, like the pipavine snoutail and red lacewing, also feed on poisonous plants. Butterflies perform tricks to avoid predators. Butterflies rank low on the food chain and are food sources for many hungry predators. To protect themselves from these predators, butterflies perform different tricks. Some butterflies can fold their wings to blend into their environment. And become invisible to predators. Viceroy butterflies transform into monarch butterflies, mimicking their appearance to warn predators that they are toxic. Butterflies are important pollinators. Butterflies help to pollinate plants. Typically, butterflies move from one plant to another in search of nectar. Once the butterfly lands on a plant, it uses its long proboscis, which it uses to drink nectar from flowering plants. Butterflies feed on nectar from these plants and carry pollen to other plants. Most plants need pollinators like butterflies to reproduce. Butterflies play a major role in increasing biodiversity. Butterflies also play a major role in increasing biodiversity and are good indicators of a healthy ecosystem. Climate changes can affect migratory patterns and butterfly temperatures. Loss of habitats can also increase predation and migration of butterflies. Many ecologists study butterflies to determine the health of our ecosystem. Butterflies are also an important part of the food chain. They are food sources for animals like birds. Animals like birds, lizards, and spiders eat caterpillars.